Are you more important to the government than Reliance and Adani? To understand this, let's break open the government's wallet and understand the expectations from Budget 2026. Where does the government get the money to spend? Well, there are four major sources. 1. Income tax. The detailed video on this is linked in the comments below. 2. GST and indirect taxes. These are the taxes that you pay every time you buy something. 3. Borrowing. Yes, the government borrows a huge amount of money from banks and markets. 4. Corporation tax. Taxes collected from registered companies. Now here's what's interesting. The biggest slice, 24% of total receipts, comes from borrowing. Think about that for a second. Imagine running your personal life where largest part of your income was loans. The next reality is even more striking. The share from income tax is higher than the share from the corporate taxes. That means the government depends on you more than on companies like Reliance or Adani. Now, let's look at where this money goes. The top expenses are 1. Transfers to states for development. 2. Interest payments on all of those past loans. 3. Central schemes, which include money spent on infrastructure and development. Over 20% of all the spending, the second highest expense goes only towards paying interest on old debt. In simple terms, the government has less room to spend freely on development because a large chunk of it is already logged into past borrowings. So when this budget is announced, watch out for these three numbers. 1. Gross borrowing. Does it cross the 17 lakh crore mark and go higher than 24% in total? 2. Tax dependency. Income tax collections are expected to increase. An increase in GST contribution is a healthy sign. That would mean consumption in the economy is improving. 3. Primary deficit. The fiscal deficit should ideally go below 4.4% and spending on central schemes should be higher than interest payments. That would show that we are funding growth, not just old loans. If you enjoyed this video, follow for more.